Fairfax County Consumer Affairs is again participating in National Consumer Protection Week. We're hosting it March 5th through the 9th, and we have a lot of events planned all throughout the county. Our agency sets up an information booth where we have a lot of documentation for consumers to come and take home, also to come and speak with us if they have any questions regarding consumer affairs. We work side by side with the Virginia Department of Treasury, where consumers can come and see if they have any unclaimed property. National Consumer Protection Week was started in 1998 by the Federal Trade Commission. It is a yearly event. It's always celebrated on the first full week of March, and I'm proud to say Fairfax County Consumer Affairs has actually participated every year since 1998. All of the events are free and they are completely open to the public. Some of the events we request registration just so we have a general idea of how many people will be attending. We have representatives from the Fairfax County Public Utilities branch to come and speak about how to save money and go green with energy in your home. And we also have a representative from Fairfax County's very own CPRD coming to talk about digital literacy and making sure that you buy the best packages for television. And lastly, we actually have a representative from Consumer Affairs speaking on financial fitness and making sure that you can build a better credit report. One of my favorite events that we have is actually when the representative from the United States Postal Inspector Service comes and they speak on combating fraud, which is mail and lottery scams. That's our topic this year. National Consumer Protection Week is so important because it opens up a whole week of opportunities for consumers to come in and get the information that they need for the entire year. We've seen a lot of changes this year and a lot of new information and new equipment for energy efficiency in your homes coming out. So take the opportunity for consumers to come out and actually get that information that they can use in their everyday lives.